Hi everyone. Let's take a look at how we can use sales planning to manually assign named accounts to our go-to-market hierarchy. This is common in cases where specific accounts are assigned to a territory in a way that supersedes our established segmentation logic. Let's take a look at our example sales plan. I have 4 territories represented in our hierarchy, and I have accounts assigned to each of these territories based on their geography. Below, I have a list of accounts, and I have this view set to record view. So let's go ahead and search for our named account. So I'm going to search for H. Curry Roasters. H. Curry Roasters is a Charlotte, North Carolina based coffee shop, but I want them to be serviced by our Midwest territory. So I'm going to go ahead and check this account, then click Assign, click the nodes, and then I'm going to say Midwest. I'll click Preview. And now I can see the one account leaving the Southeast and being added to Midwest. I'll click Apply. And just like that, I have reassigned a named account to a different territory in sales planning.